What's up guys, it's Jamie. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the new color options that Apple released in the silicone case for the iPhone 12. We're going to be unboxing each of these today. I'm going to throw them on my phone, give you a good look so you can get an idea of what the color is actually going to look like, and I'll give you my overall thoughts and impressions on which colors out of these I like the best. The three new silicone case color options we're going to be looking at today are Electric Orange, Cloud Blue, and then Sunflower. These are the latest to be released. There weren't any additional leather color options. It seems like they've been focusing more on the summer colors with the silicone offering. I purchased these cases for the silver iPhone 12 Pro, and they are available for $49.99. So the first case we're going to be taking a look at is Electric Orange. I'll be honest, based on like the packaging, it looks more like a burnt orange versus an electric orange. So it's going to be interesting to check out. So similar to what I was thinking from seeing the packaging, I don't know if I would really consider this to be an electric orange, like a neon bright orange color. It is orange. I don't know, it's not, I don't find it to be a very enticing or intriguing color. I'm not really much of an orange person, but I think there's a way to do orange in a way that's a little bit nicer. When I pop it on the phone, it really doesn't change much of anything. It's kind of, I almost call it like a medium orange. It's like, it's not like a dull or like your traditional orange, but I wouldn't call this like a super bright or an electric orange. It's kind of right in the middle. And with that being said, it doesn't do necessarily a whole lot for me. It almost looks like a construction cone kind of color. Nothing really super intriguing. Like right now, I'm thinking this one is definitely a pass for me. So the next color we're going to be taking a look at is Sunflower. Sunflower is interesting. I find it somewhat intriguing because it is somewhat reminiscent to California Poppy. So let's see exactly how yellow this is. If it's like a true sunflower yellow, I think it could be pretty cool. So this is kind of an interesting looking yellow. My initial reaction when seeing this was school bus yellow. I think after looking a little bit more, I understand where like the sunflower nature is coming from. I think it's cool. I think it could be cool with different case colors. Like if you're pairing it with like the iPhone 12, like new purple color, that could be like an interesting contrast. I think it's gonna fall a little flat up against my silver, but we'll check that out. After putting the sunflower case on my phone, I think up against the silver, it really doesn't work well. I mean, granted, no matter what, on this side, it's going to look a certain way, but I think there are other colors where it could look a little bit better. Like I said, if you go with a more playful color like the purple, or I'd be interested to see what it looks like up against the gold. But for me, it's looking very like kid toy or school bus yellow in this configuration, and that definitely not the setup or kind of vibe that I'm looking to present. So this yellow, I think, for me, the way I look, if they just want neon with a lot of these colors, especially for the summer, I think it looks super cool. If this is more of like a neon, not necessarily like a pastel-y or school bus kind of yellow, I think it would translate a little bit better for me. So the last color we're going to be taking a look at is Cloud Blue. I'm really excited about this one because all the other blue cases that Apple has come out with are either more of a darker or a mid blue, and I've really been wanting a sky blue color. So I really hope that what's on inside the packaging looks as good as what's on the outside. All right, now this is killer. This is similar to the pistachio in that kind of faint, like pastel-y blue color, a little faded, where I think you could go both summer vibes and winter vibes with, but just in a very like nice looking blue. I think this is gonna look amazing up against the silver. Okay, so as soon as you pop this on the phone, you can it just looks exactly like this thing was made for the silver iPhone 12 Pro. It just looks perfect. It's such a faint blue color to where when you look at it on the back, you can, if it's at a quick glance, it almost looks like it's the same color. I like that subtlety, and this is perfect. This is exactly what I was wanting in more of a lighter color blue. I think that it's very versatile. I think it can look fun, but also still like high-end and classy at the same time, which is, I think, is a very difficult thing to do when you go from like blues. It's very easy for like a leather case to look high-end, but when you start going with the colors, it's a very difficult thing to do once you start getting away from just like a standard black. So this is 100% a winner in my book. So here you can get a better look of the three case colors next to each other to get an idea of brightness and how they look in relation to one another. I think that each of them they provide, you know, if you're looking for like a true yellow, something that's not like an orange, not a red, the electric orange is a good option. But out of these three, I think that the clear winner is 100% the cloud blue. I think that it's probably the most versatile, and I also think it's the most interesting new case offering that they've provided. That's all I had for you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment below. Let me know what you think about the different case color options. Also, if you haven't already, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one.